Hi Adaptive PE students, it's another day and it's a great day. Are you ready for some exercise and some fun today? Let's see who's out there. I'm gonna get on my binoculars. I see Melissa, Raul, Ariana, Efren. Oh my goodness, I see a whole bunch of you today. I'm so glad you're here to visit me. Hi all of you. Let's go ahead and do some workouts. Okay, go in your house and look for a couple items. We can get empty bottles, empty cans, make sure they're empty, and we're gonna place bowling. So we're gonna set up 3 of them on the ground. Remember, like an eyes and a nose. 2 eyes and 1 nose. There it is. Do you see that? Now find a ball. It can be a tennis ball or any kind of small ball in your house where you can roll and knock down the pins. When we bowl and roll, we hold the ball up here and we step, bend, back, and roll. Let go close to the ground. Let's try that again. Hold the ball, step, bend, back, roll. Now let's knock over the pins. Here we go. Can I do it? Step, bend, back, roll. I got 1. Set them back up and do it again. Step, bend, arm back, roll. Woo! Strike. Try to do it again. Play with your family members. Step, bend, arm back, and roll. Woo! Okay. Remember, you can pause this video and do it for as long as you like from different distances and keep practicing bending and rolling to the target. Now find a chair. We're going to do some exercises with our chair. Hold on to the chair. And we do this in class sometimes. You're going to go out with your leg and in. Out and in. I bet your family members might enjoy doing this with you. Out, in. Out, in. Out, in. Out, in. Let's change legs. Here we go. Out, in. Out, in. Out, in. Out, in. Okay, now we're going to back up. We're going to lean forward because we're going to stretch the back of our calves. These muscles back here. We're stretching them. Stretch. Stretch. Hold it there for as long as you can. Stretch. Stretch. There we go. Excellent. Now we're going to hold one leg up. We're going to stretch those leg muscles. It's good to see all of you. Stretch those leg muscles. There we go. Okay, now we're going to sit on the chair. Sit at the edge of the chair. Okay, leg up. Go up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Switch. Up and down. You can do a lot more of these as long as you want. You can do it when you're watching cartoons like the Roadrunner or Bugs Bunny or SpongeBob. Good. Now on the back of our chair, we're going to go tippy toes, down, tippy up, tippy down, tippy up, tippy down, tippy up, tippy down. And you can go faster. Up and down, 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 up and down. Now, you can put one leg on a chair and you're gonna tap. Tap that foot. Ask your parents first if you're allowed to put your foot on the chair. Okay? If you can't put it on the chair, just do it on the ground. Tap, tap, tap. Switch feet. Tap, 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 tap. Now we're going to tap it out to the side and together. Look at my feet, okay? Victor, can you focus on my feet? See how we go out, together, out, together, out, together, out, together. Or just do one foot. Out, together, see? Moving that ankle and all these joints, getting them more and more limber. You can turn this off and go as long as you want. Okay, let's switch feet. Out together, out together, out together. There we go. You guys are doing great. Okay, now the next thing we're going to do is find a balloon in your house. I bet some of you have balloons because I bet you've had a birthday party in your house recently or some kind of party. So we're going to blow up the balloon. Have adults blow this up for you. We blow it up real big. We tie it any color that you want. Here's our balloon. Now, just like we do in class, we have to play a game. We're playing it. We don't let the balloon touch the floor. Okay, we go up and up. And how many times can you keep that balloon up in the air? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm going to call my friend, Mr. Victor, to come and help me. Because if you have a family member you can play with, you can use your hand and back the balloon back and forth. Okay, so just back and forth, back and forth. With either hand or both hands. And then if you have a spoon in your house, like a stirring spoon that your parents use for cooking, you can hold on to that like we use paddles in class and bat it back and forth. Okay? Bat it. All right, we can have fun. We can switch hands, use different hands. And then you can even, if you don't have a brother or sister near, you can always do it by yourself and keep that balloon up in the air with the spoon. Okay? Don't let it drop to the floor. But if it does drop to the floor, that's okay. Bring it back up. All right, good hand-eye coordination, Victor. You can do a backhand. See, here's a backhand. Here's a forehand. Here's an overhand. Here's an underhand. Different strokes for different folks. Bye, everybody. Have some fun with these activities in your house, okay?